Hello, this is Katya and my cooking channel Sweet Katya. Today I'm gonna show you how to make date walnut banana cake. Self-raising flour 200 grams, banana 100 grams, walnuts 60 grams, brown sugar 150 grams, dates 200 grams, vanilla extract half of the teaspoon, butter 60 grams, water almost 200 milliliters, 1 large egg, half of a teaspoon of soda and quarter of the teaspoon of salt. That's it. Let's see how to make it. Spread the walnuts out on a baking tray, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and roast the walnuts for 5 minutes until they are a little bit golden and fragrant. After the walnuts are completely cooled, chop them and chop them nicely. That's the condition we need. The dates too should be pitted and roughly chopped. Place dates, sugar, butter and water in a medium saucepan. Stir gently from time to time until butter has melted and sugar has completely dissolved. Increase the heat, bring the mixture to boil, then remove from heat straight away. Grease the baking form, smash the banana, lightly beat up the egg, and start to add other ingredients to the date mixture: bicarbonate of soda, vanilla, egg and banana. And I highly recommend you to take a bigger bowl that I'm using in the video. Stir everything with a wooden spoon so it's completely combined. Add walnuts, stir again, and start to sift flour. And here you see why I recommend you to take a bigger bowl. Place the cake mix into the prepared form by a spoon or just pour it over and bake it for about 35-40 minutes or until the skewer or a knife inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean, just like this. Yeah. So the cake is ready. Let's see what's inside. Nice. Yeah, take the little piece. Oh, it's really good. I didn't even expect it so good. So here is my cake. But I really want someone to taste it. Can you please try my cake and say what you think?
Sure.
But be honest.
I'm only honest. Dang good, man. Counting the size, grab some tip.
Can you please try my cake?
Yes.
But be honest. I need only honesty.
Nothing. I know everything.
Good, thank you. So the cake is gone. I'm super happy and I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Sweet Katya and I really appreciate your like. Thank you. Bye bye.